What's up everybody, it's Callie Sudbrook. Today we are going to be going over a lower body mobility exercise called the Psoas March. I love the Psoas March. I can't tell you how much I love it because guess what? It gets my clients out of pain, gets me out of pain if I've been seated for a long period of time. It's a great exercise, hands down. And even if you're not having back pain, it's still a great exercise because it keeps that muscle, the psoas, that's in the front of your hip, it's a hip flexor, it keeps it healthy, it keeps it supple. So I really recommend doing it no matter what. It's great for a warm-up too before leg day. But in any case, you can grab one of these mini bands to do it. If you don't have one, you can simply grab a normal resistance band that has the handles on it. You can anchor it and you can use this side to wrap around your toes and your feet in order to do the exercise as well. So either way, we've got you covered, but I'm going to actually be showing you with the mini band. So you're going to take it, place it around your toes, just like so, lay back. And all you're doing in this position now is you're going to march it 1 foot at a time. You want to engage the core just like anything else, and you're going back and forth, alternating legs, marching with the band. Now, one way that you can basically progress the exercise is by putting a box or using a couch or a step or stool of some sort and elevating that surface so that you're in more of a glute bridge position. You have your legs out and you're marching them with the band. So either way, it's a great option. I would try both of them, see how you like it. I think you're really gonna enjoy doing this because it's gonna make your hips feel great.